You've matched on Hinge or another dating app. Congrats! To grab your match's attention, check out these highly effective openers. Try being relatable with "What's your favorite pizza topping?" Or start off strong with a flirty message like, "Did you just come out of the oven because you're hot?" You can also ask a fun question like, "What's your go-to order at McDonald's?" Or a creative hypothetical like, "If your life was a movie, who would play you?" To be playful, try asking, "What would you do if you had $1 million?" Or spice things up with a game of would you rather, like, would you rather kiss a coworker or a friend? Or would you rather be a taco or a hamburger? To learn more about their hobbies and interests, try "Tell me about your ideal weekend." Or tap into their opinionated side by asking, "Who's the most underrated artist of all time?" Lastly, put them in the hot seat with, "What's the last thing you Googled?" Or, if their photo features a furry friend, try a sweet compliment like, "Your smile caught my eye, but your dog captured my heart." Commenting on their profile photos, prompts, and hobbies is the best way to show you're genuinely interested. So pick your favorite line and get talking.